this is Sarah with EnviroKlenz, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the EnviroKlenz air system in your classroom. This is the EnviroKlenz Air System Plus. It removes a wide variety of contaminants from your indoor airspace, including viruses, bacteria, particulates, gases, and other airborne allergens. It does all of this in 3 different stages. The first stage is our EnviroKlenz air cartridge, which uses an advanced chemistry technology. The second stage is UVC germicidal irradiation, and the third stage is a medical-grade HEPA filtration. This system can easily cover 1,000 square feet of airspace, and it does all of this at a rate of 250 CFM. This means that every single minute, 250 cubic feet of air is passed through and purified by this system. The controls are simple. The orange power light will shine, indicating that power is going into the system, even if the system is not running. There's also a dial for the multi-speed blower with speeds ranging from Whisp-air to max. The UVC light switch is next to it, and when you turn it on, the green lights will shine, showing that the UVC lamps are activated. When placing it in your classroom, ensure that the airflow vents are not blocked or against a wall. It can be placed anywhere in the classroom, at least 6 inches from any wall, and it will be effective for the entire space. Once the students leave or you go home for the day, we recommend turning it on to the highest speed setting. That way it exchanges the air many times before the next class session. When running, your EnviroKlenz Air System Plus will bring air in through the intake vents, past the EnviroKlenz air cartridge, the UVC lamps, and the medical-grade HEPA filter to capture and destroy viruses, bacteria, germs, and other airborne particulates that might be circulating in your classroom at a 99.9% efficiency rate. So now you and your students can enjoy the cleanest air your classroom has ever had.